This video is going to show you how to download and use the Google Classroom for preparation for your child going into reception this September. First of all, you'll need to go to either the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google App Store if you're using Google. Here you can download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, if you click that open, it'll then open up the app like so. It'll bring you to this Get Started page. We click on the Get Started button, it'll bring up these options for choosing an account. If you already have a Google account, you may see one already, but here we want to add a new account, so you can see here that I'm typing in the hub address here. You've all been provided with your child's hub account. You'll need to type in the email address twice. So obviously mine is blairsb2@hubcymru.net, and it'll ask you to type that in for your Google address, and then it'll ask you again for hub. And then at this point you can put in your password here. So obviously you can't see my password. This will now come up here. And once that password's been entered, don't forget the first letter needs to be a capital. Here you'll get the terms and condition page. Please click I understand at the bottom. Once this is done, this will then take you onto the starting page. You choose I'm a student, and then once you've chosen I'm a student, then you'll get the option to join the reception class for 2022 to 23. Here is the main stream page. This is much like the Facebook homepage where you can leave messages. And then at the very bottom, if you click on classwork, if any assignments are set, this will be where they will be posted here. If you want to leave a post, if you click on this area in the middle, you'll notice that you can type a message first. And then once you've finished typing the message, you can also add an attachment. Now, if you add an attachment, this can be a number of options. You can add it from the Google Drive that every child has. You can also upload files or choose a photo or take a photo or record a video. So you can see I'm choosing a photo from my library here. I'll treat you to my donuts there that I bought in. And you'll see that it uploads it very quickly on here. And then when you're ready to put it on there, you click post. If you're unhappy with the photo that you've put on there, you can also click on the 3 dots by your photo and then choose to delete it too.